How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the web camera on a Dell Latitude 3300. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to separate and remove base cover. Now unscrew and remove brackets. Then disconnect and remove battery. Now unscrew bracket, then disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove DC jack. Then unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now remove screw covers. Then unscrew and use fingers to gently pry apart bezel. Then disconnect and remove web camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.